Hey there, I'm Jenny with Coco Daisy, and in this video we are unboxing the July 2025 travel kit. Okay, let's dive right into the travel kit. It comes in this amazing craft folder that has this string closure. It's so cute. And it is packed full of amazing goodies. Now I'm going to start out by sharing these Puffy alphabet stickers, and these are not the Puffy alphabet stickers from this kit. However, these are the ones from the Where the Sea Dreams scrapbooking kit. The Puffy alphabet stickers from the travel kit look like this. The color is just ever so slightly more bluish green. So this is a very fair representation as a stand-in, if you will. Okay, so I'm gonna push those right out of the way, and we are going to start with the beautiful patterned papers. So these are so beautiful and perfect for all of your different types of projects, and they are double-sided. So you can see that this one has that vintage world map, the airplanes over also the sort of watercolory world map, and then all of these little tags and labels on the back side of this one. And then we have the palm trees, kind of tone on tone. And then this beautiful pattern, and then it's also got like an ombre effect on the back. And then of course, because they are double-sided, here is the back of that first one with the vintage map. This is the back of that other map. And then we also have this, remember that pattern, and then that is the back of the palm trees. So those are the pattern papers that are included. Now we also, of course, couldn't not have some beautiful rub-on transfers, and we have a variety of sizes, of course. We have Journey, Explore, Wanderlust, and then a bunch of other beautiful images. We have these outstanding Puffy stickers. They're just so cute and going to be fun to use for all of your various travels. And then we have two of our little door hangers. These are the cutest embellishment. You can add it as like a tip-in if you're doing a mini album or right on your scrapbook layouts. And there are just so many different ways to use these cuties. All right, so then we have a notepad that has a luggage tag design printed on it. As I said, this is just a standard notepad. It's great though. There's so many pages. You're gonna be able to use it to jot notes or take it on your travels and keep track of different things while you're on your trip. Lots of different options with the notepad. And speaking of pads, we also have a sticky notepad as well. And this is also another very cute one. It's got sort of that vintage slide frame on it. And then at the bottom, it says, "Let's go." Let's take a look at the ephemera. The ephemera are self-adhesive, and there is a wide variety of sizes and shapes as well. These are all sort of neutral colors, which is great because then you can use them with all kinds of different things. So we have, for example, this little, so cute. But then you have, for example, like a little strip. So it's really nice because there's so many different options. They'll fit in all of the different categories that you're using die cuts for. And then of course there's a bunch of smaller little labels down here you can see as well. They all just have different phrases and things like that on there that are going to be great to use in your travel themed projects. All right, next up are these amazing little acetate film strips. Okay, so again, there's a wide variety of sizes and different sort of designs as well, even though, you know, I mean, they're all film strips and things like that, but they don't all look exactly the same. So then I love them. They'd be great for actually framing photos, but for tucking behind things and just embellishing your project. Oh, I love it. So cute. All right, next up, I mean, it just keeps coming, right? We have some more self-adhesive ephemera. These are multicolored, different sizes, shapes, more like maybe the scrapbooking kit type ephemera that we usually have. And what I mean by that is just a wide variety of different decorative bits, and then also bits for, say, adding label or dates or places or things like that. So you can see then there's like a nice little circle, there's a tab. So lots and lots of different bits and pieces that again are self-adhesive. You don't have to add any adhesive at all. You simply peel off the back and you can add these right to your projects. Cute, right? Oh, more tabs as well. So especially cool if you're making like a traveler's notebook or a mini album, you can set those up in lots of different ways, and then you have matching tabs for each section. All right, next we have some of the tiny little paper clips, and I love these because they're the perfect little accent for a little layering cluster. Super cute. The little black paper clips. Just very, very fun to add to each of your different little projects. All right, so next we have some acrylic acetate, I'm sorry, not acrylic, acetate, little phrases. So go, see, do. There's 2 of those, travelogue and adventure. And then there's 2 of each of them. Very fun. Okay, now we also have a vinyl sticker. So cute. It says "See La Vie," and then Cocoa Daisy really tiny underneath. And then we have a package of the Deco cards. So they come in the craft envelope. And then there is, oh my gosh, so cute. So many fun little cards to use. So again, a wide variety of different little types of images and sizes, all mostly squares or rectangles, but a different little, you know, just different ways to be able to use these, stick these in your projects. I can absolutely see using one of these with the tiny little paper clips as well. These are all so cute. These are not self-adhesive. You will need to use adhesive on the back of these. And those are the little Deco cards. All right, then we have this absolutely adorable little anchor clip. It's a nice, shiny, fun gold, and this would look so cute on the outside of a traveler's notebook or attached to a mini album. Okay, next up is the 4x6 stamp set that is included. You can see there are so many different little individual stamps, and then also like this background, like postage type stamp, this view, sunglasses, just a lot of different really fun little images that you can use on your project. And then we also have a roll of washi tape. It has a whole lot of words, travel inspired words, of course. So we have moments, treasures, memories, escape. See that right there? Super cute. Okay, so this is the travel kit. So you can go ahead and you can purchase this travel kit just as I've shown you, and it comes in the craft folder. Or you can get this kit And then also the sticker kit as well in a separate listing. And it comes with these 4 sticker sheets that are so cute. A couple of decorative sticker sheets. And then you have a perfect brown alphabet stickers. And then a sheet of vellum stickers that are all of these really cute tags. So again, there are 2 different travel kits. You can get the first one that I showed you all of the different little goodies, or you can get all of this together. So you get to choose which one you would prefer. All of these are available on the website.